Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how we can describe things and talk about things with respect to time. We're going to look at the kind of words we should use and where it's supposed to be used correctly. Hi, I'm Ajay from Capshine. Capshine is a revolutionary learn-it-together English fluency program. With Capshine, learning English is easy, quick, fun, affordable, and effective. And we promise a whole new you in 6 months or less. So what are these ways to describe time? Well, here are some words that can be used to describe words or things related to time. Words such as for, ever, already, never, since, and yet are all words or rather prepositions that can be used to talk about things that happened over time. We use these words to say for how long or when something happened. Let's look at one example and then look at the rest of the example as we go forward. The first one is for. For is used to tell how long an action or event has lasted. You will usually describe the duration of time after for. For instance, I've lived in Chicago for 7 years. Notice I'm talking about the duration of time. I'm not giving you a date or time in itself. I cannot say I've lived in Chicago for 2020. That does not make sense. You have to give the duration of time after for. Or I've worked in this place for 6 months. For and then duration of time. Before we go to the next few ways to describe time, here's a quick word about Capshine. Capshine lets you build your language competency by learning and practicing as a group. You get to have a personal coach who gives you customized feedback, and you get a monthly fluency tracker through which you know exactly where you stand at any given point of time in your journey. I'll talk more about how you can check this out at the end of the video. Alright, so the next word is since. Now, since is used to talk about something that started at a specific time and has continued. Use since to tell when an ongoing action or event started. So here you have to give a specific date or a specific time. For example, I've been studying medicine since 2018. Notice the use of the date 2018. Or you could say, I have been waiting for you since 11 a.m. You cannot say, I have been studying medicine since 3 years. That is incorrect. You would use for in that aspect. Another one is yet. So you use yet when you talk about something that is yet to complete or yet to happen. Use yet to ask whether an action or event has been completed up to then. When asked as a question, you use it that way. For example, has the construction work finished yet? So asking whether it's happened or not. You use yet in the question form for this. Already can also be used in a similar situation. Use already to say that an action or event has completed up to then. That's a good example. I have already signed all the documents, meaning that it's completed in time, it has been done already. Already is used to show that something has already been completed. Ever talks about whether something has happened through all of time. Use ever to ask if an action or event has happened in the past or not. Has it ever happened? For example, has it ever rained during the summer months? So during summer, throughout the past, has it ever at any point rained? That's what the question means. At any point in the past. And again, similar to this is never. To say that it's never happened, that there's not even one instance of it happening throughout the past. I have never gone swimming in the ocean, suggesting that no time in the past have you done it. Never. Let's look at a few sentences and see if you can use the correct word to fill in the blank. You can pause the video if you need some time. The sentence says, have you blank visited Paris? What do you think is the word that we will use here? I'm trying to ask, at any time in the past, have you done this? So, I will use ever. Right? The next one, this shop has been here blank the World War II happened. So it's talking about a specific time in the past and saying that something has happened since that time. For this, we use since, of course. This shop has been here since the World War II happened. The mechanic has blank fixed my car. So sometime in the past, it's already happened, right? So in this case, you would use already. You cannot use never or ever because it really doesn't make sense. And that's it for today. If you like the video, make sure you like, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell notification to not miss videos from us. To check out your 30-day free trial, make sure you go to capshine.com or download the app from the Play Store. Thanks for watching.